Hello, I'm Samuel Acuña, and this is for the visual media class, Comm 130, and the ad I selected is from Marshall headphones. Here's the original ad. It's hard rock, Marshall headphones. I chose this ad for its simplicity, but also I thought it was really engaging, and it allowed you to know, after just looking at it for just a moment, what exactly it represented. And I enjoyed the typography it used. It combined sans serif type with the script type of the logo. So as you can see here, the rock and hard art matches what they use here with the headphones, but the Marshall company symbol is different, so it stands out and lets you know what company is doing it. And the alignment, the image I think has perfect uh, spacing between the rock and hard rock, as you can see here, and the sides. And I also like the logo here at the bottom with the Marshall headphones. It's centered near the bottom, the text is aligned near the middle. It's a perfect balance of the ad. And the color. The text and the logo are the same color. So the text and the logo are the same, so it all blends in here. I also like the headphones there with the motif of the black. And I like the background of the color, I believe, is pulled here from the rock, the lighter shade of the rock. So it's a perfect whiteness, and it just makes everything else pop out when it's the contrast between white and black. And this is the new ad I decided to do, which plays on the motif of using of an inanimate object to represent a different genre. You have rock and metal, and so I use that with the headphones. Let's see. I also did with the metal and heavy metal and headphones the sans serif and script, so it has the motif down the same and also has the logo Marshall, and it is different, so it stands out. And I did similar alignment. I made sure to try to have the balance like the original ad and the spacing so that everything looked quite the same as the original ad. And then with the Marshall headphones logo being towards the bottom and centered as well. And the text and the logo are the same color, kept the background the same, because I thought that was one of the most effective things it did was have it be white, so everything else just stood out so much. So I made sure that that was the same. And let's compare the two. We have them side by side, and I think with the alignment and the similar text, the line's a little bit bolder here, that it looks like they belong together. And I think the simplicity of the ad is so attractive, and I love it because I think it just says exactly what it needs to say in different genres of music. And I'm grateful for this opportunity and to be able to learn from this class. And I wish everyone else the best of luck with whatever you decide to do after this semester. Thank you.